Imagine a world where every question sparks curiosity, every book is a treasure, and every conversation a quest for truth. Welcome to the life of an epistemophile, a lover of knowledge. An epistemophile isn't just someone who enjoys learning. They are driven by an insatiable hunger for understanding the world around them. The term epistemophile comes from the Greek words episteme, meaning knowledge, and philos, meaning loving. It's not just a label, it's a way of life. Imagine waking up each day with the thrill of discovering something new, the excitement of connecting that were once scattered. This is the essence of being an epistemophile. Why is this important? In a world filled with superficial distractions, the pursuit of deep, meaningful knowledge is like a beacon of light. It's what propels us forward, fuels our innovations, and enriches our lives. Knowledge isn't just power, it's the key to empathy, understanding, and wisdom. Philosophically, an epistemophile embodies the Socratic paradox: I know that I know nothing. This humble acknowledgement fuels a relentless pursuit of learning. It reminds us that in the vast ocean of knowledge, we are perpetual students, forever curious and ever evolving. So, embrace your inner epistemophile. Dive into books, ask questions, seek answers, and never stop learning. Because in the end, the true lovers of knowledge are those who find joy in the journey itself.